Good morning, Creekers. Happy Friday, TGIF. I am going to wait for you guys to get into the live. It is me, myself, and I today. Mitchell had to go run out, so I'll do my best to read the comments. Say hello when you come in. Good morning, Lynn. We've got 3 people. Happy Friday. Who else is excited for the weekend? Because I am. Hey, Jessica. So, like I said, it's me, myself, and I this morning. Mitchell had to step out. Maybe he'll be back around the end of the live. We'll see. So I'm going to do my best reading your comments, basically multitasking. And for today, I'm going to be showing you guys Jackie's wreath picks. I'm actually going to a concert tomorrow, guys. But hi, Lori. Do you guys like my shirt? Wreathing is my superpower. Period. So, to start off, I'm going to show you guys the Merry Christmas horse. So first, for our Merry Christmas horse, we've got our Merry Christmas horse sign. And we've got the cute little cardinal here. This is MD 1276 and it's 12-inch diameter. And my favorite to go along with this sign are these cute cardinals, the ones with the hats and the scarves, and they come in a 12-pack. And this is ME7197, but I'm fairly certain that you'll be able to see every product that I say into this description, like with the links. So look at the horse sign to go with the cardinals. Cute. Then we have our mesh, and this is RE134106. And then we've got our little our pine picks here with the little red berries and the snow. This is 4081. But we also have our ribbon. We've got our cardinal ribbon. So Lori's in the comments, guys, in case you have any questions. This is 2.5 inch, and it's RGF 115027. And then to go along with that, we have our 1.5 inch ribbon with white and red swirls. This one is RGF 132258. So, give you guys the visual. We've got our sign, we have our ribbons, we have our cardinals, our berries, our mesh, and then also we have our poinsettia to go along with that. And this one is XS402994. And then we also have our leaves. And this one is XS094594. So I'm pretty sure you can find all of this also on the app in Jackie's Picks. So that's the Merry Christmas horse. Next up, we've got, what is he called again? I think this is just the Scarecrow. We have our Scarecrow. open up poinsettia. Oh. This one? I'm opening up the poinsettia, guys. Oh my gosh, that was terrible. There we go. You can even trim it to like here if you want to put it up in the corner of your wreath boards to make it look like, I don't know, holiday berries. All right, our Scarecrow. Let's get into that. So, of course, we have our Scarecrow sign. This one is MD0731, but we also have another Scarecrow sign, and that's MD0732. So there's this one, and so then we've got our frayed jute mesh, frayed edge. I don't think, this isn't, yeah it is, 76% jute. This is XB97010-15. And then we have, let me just double check. All right, then we have our ribbon, which is 2.5 inch. It's a sunflower ribbon with orange and white checkers going across here. This one is RGC 171274, 2.5 inch. And then for our accessories, we've got our pumpkin spray. You can bend it if you want. That's what it looks like. There's a little guy in the bottom here too. Even if you want to take wire cutters and cut those off too, you know, whatever. This is HA141420. And then we have our flower spray, which is basically all of our like fall colors here. We've got the nice little blue, the like burnt orangey colors, the little white berry things to go with our sign, because the colors, look at the colors together, very nice. This is FH807164, and we also have a wide variety of flower sprays in different colors, so go check that out. Got them for fall, we have them for spring, for Halloween. We have plenty. That was the Scarecrow. Now I'm going to show you the Hello Fall one. So last live I showed you guys the very, very new signs that we have. These ones here. So it's 19 in height and 14.25 in length. So 19, 14. And there are window signs. So we have our Hello Fall with the pumpkins. And this is MD 1487. And then to go along with that, yeah, we also have the frayed mesh. I can read it again for you guys. So XB97010-15. Jackie will be showing you guys how to use these signs, I believe with the rectangle boards. And these are our other flower sprays. So we have one in this orange, and we have one in like a, I think this is called the coffee color or something like that. I think so. So there's this one. The orange one is FH807120. And then this one, FH807141. Let me double check. Yes. And then for our ribbon, we've got this green burlap ribbon. It's like an olivey green. This is RG127852 and it's 1.5 inch. So our sign, our flowers, our mesh, and our ribbon. And that is the Hello Fall. And now, this is, we have our Halloween one. What is this one called? Okay, this is called the extra large Halloween window because we're using the window signs again. I also showed this one last live too, but I'm glad I get to see some stuff put together with it. So this is the Halloween one with our spiders and our webs and our big pumpkin, spooky pumpkin, and then the candles. And this is MD 14.99. And I'm just gonna quickly, I just wanted to read some of your guys' comments. Okay, in case you guys had any questions or wanted to see something more. All right, so our sign, then we've got the laser spray, leaf spray here. And this is XV766120. I like how this goes together. And we also have our coil spray. What is this one? Oh, sorry. Hemlock. This is a hemlock spray. I've got the sheet so I can actually read what they are. So this we've got in black and white. I think we also have one in red and white. And I think black and pink. This one is FH7291. So our 2 picks. Then we have our mesh, Deco Poly Mesh, black and white stripe. This one is RE8903E7. And then, I love this part because we've got spiders on the sign. Then we've got our spider ribbon with the webs. And this is 2.5 inch and it's RGB 127920. So that's with that, and our picks, and our mesh. And then lastly, we have our turkey guy. So, he's so cute. I love this sign. I love the patterns on it too. Look at our turkey. He looks so dapper. This is MD 1329. And then this is so cute. I just love how put together this is. We have our gobble sign as well. You can make him sit right there. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. Our gobble sign here is AP7040. And then our turkey sign is 1329. And then to go with that, I love the mesh that goes with this. Everything just fits so well together. Great job, Jackie. So this is our mesh, our striped mesh. And this is XB240910-19. And then for our ribbon, I love the color coordinations of this. So we've got our orange ribbon and then a bigger version of our like olivey green burlap ribbon. So the orange one here, diamond check, I would call this, is 61421-09-19. And then our 2.5 inch burlap ribbon here is RG 127952. So that is the turkey. Once again, our signs with our ribbons and our mesh. So those are all of Jackie's picks, guys. So thank Jackie for picking these out for you guys. And that is everything I have to show you this Friday until next Friday. And then hopefully I'll have my own t-shirt that says my name on it. I hope you guys have a lovely, lovely weekend. A long time, yes. I'm gonna quickly, you want me to hold the signs up together again? I can do that. Oh, it's so cute. So, oh, on the back, it's a string. And then here, it's like, just like a little hook thing. Who is Jackie gonna put these together, Lori? If she does, I really want to see what it looks like after. But yes, okay. Have a good weekend, guys. See you next Friday.